Hi, and welcome to the SwebApps platform. I'm going to give you a quick guide on how to work our system. The first thing is we click on Start Building and Register. Then we're going to press Create New App, and it's going to take us to just an app name that later we can definitely change, and a description that we're going to go ahead and change as well as we go along. But that allows us to start our app. First thing we're going to do is create our background, so we can either select from what we have here, which we have choices to give you, or you can upload your own background following the specifications. I'm going to go ahead and save. We're going to now create our buttons, which again we have various buttons to choose from. So we're going to go ahead and click 4 buttons. We can choose 4, 6, or 8 buttons here as well. We're going to go ahead and return. We're going to set the button functions, because although all buttons default to a function, we can always decide to change the way we want it to work. So in this case, if I want this to be a form, I can go ahead and do that as well. We're going to go ahead and save the function. Make sure that you always save, return to App Creator, and then we can start creating your content. We can now create our content. In this case, what we're going to do is, although our button is called Website, we had put in a form, so we're going to place an email and the subject that we want our form to be called. In this case, we're going to just put testing, and we're going to go ahead and save. Now, let's say we're going to go ahead and return to our App Creator. Let's say that what we want is, we love this icon, but what we don't want to do is keep the name of the button. So we want to call it really Computer. So we can change the name of the button. And if we also want to change the image, because we've actually built our own and designed our own images, we can do that as well. And I didn't save that. There we go. So as we go along, then we're going to go ahead and start creating our content. Okay, and that's the way we're going to do that as well. We're going to go ahead and create content. And again, save that. And oops. And gift card. Okay, and of course I've accidentally chosen the 4 types that are exactly the same, but we can change that. Return to App Creator, and now I've included all of my information, so I'm ready to submit my app. So again, I want to keep my app name as Magali. I'm going to go ahead and choose my category. I'm going to go ahead and choose my subcategory. Here's where I'm going to put the description of the app that's going to actually go into iTunes. So I can say test app that I am filming, and I'm going to put my keywords. So I'm going to put test app keywords, and the website that I wanted it linked to is testapp.com. I can go ahead and select my logo as well. So I'm going to go ahead and select the logo based on these specifications, and I'm going to go ahead and submit my final app. And I'm going to finish up my profile, which is my company name and my email and my phone number, address, and we're going to go ahead and update. And my information has been registered, and I have now submitted my app.